This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Charming 2-bedroom/2-bath home sited in the desirable maintenance-free gated community of Traditions at Lake Ruby. This wonderful home features an eat-in kitchen offering maple wood cabinetry and ceramic tile flooring. The spacious open-concept floor plan offers a living room painted in a neutral palette featuring oversized glass sliding doors leading to the lanai. The formal dining area is enhanced with a custom pendant light and patio access. The master bedroom suite offers a walk-in closet and private master bath enhanced with a 42 inches vanity and tile shower with glass door. Other amenities include a new roof with architectural shingles installed January 2020, glass storm door, washer and dryer located in the garage, 2-car garage west/door opener, freshly painted garage floors, fenced-in backyard, irrigation system with irrigation meter, gutters, screen lanai and a paved driveway. The picturesque community of Traditions features amenities such as a lakefront clubhouse, heated swimming pool, and spa, dog park, dock, boat slips, boat ramp, ballroom, billiards, meeting room, library, computer room, craft room, tennis courts, basketball court, bocce, shuffleboard, fitness center, Aerobics studio, and much more. Monthly HOA fees include exterior house painting, cable, internet and lawn service, front yard only. For more information,